In the ever-evolving world of financial technology, companies often adapt and grow, and sometimes their names need to grow with them. This is precisely the story behind Wise, a name that has become synonymous with easy and affordable international money transfers. However, many people still recall its previous identity, and understanding this past can shed light on its journey and expanded services. As a finance expert, I often encounter questions about Wise's identity. The most common one, after "is it a bank?" is often, "What is the other name for Wise?" The answer is simple yet significant. Wise was previously known as TransferWise. Let's delve into why this change happened and what it signifies for anyone engaging with this global financial platform. From TransferWise to Wise, a natural evolution. Wise, as we know it today, was founded in 2011 by two Estonians, Kristo Karmen and Taavet Hinrichs, in London. Their initial goal was to make international money transfers cheaper, faster, and more transparent. They were frustrated with the hidden fees and poor exchange rates offered by traditional banks for cross-border payments. Their solution, which involved a clever peer-to-peer matching system, though it has since evolved, quickly gained traction because it offered the real, mid-market exchange rate and charged a low, upfront fee. The original name, TransferWise, perfectly encapsulated this core mission. It was about transferring money, and doing so in a wise, i.e. smart and cost-effective way. It was a name that clearly communicated their primary service. However, as the company grew and matured over its first decade, its offerings expanded significantly beyond just simple money transfers. What started as a solution for individuals sending money between countries began to encompass a much broader suite of financial services. Why the name change? Beyond just transfers. The decision to rebrand from TransferWise to Wise in February 2021 was a strategic move that reflected this expanded vision and product portfolio. Here's why the change was necessary and what it represents. Expanded product offerings. While international money transfers remain a cornerstone of Wise's business, the company introduced its multi-currency account with local account details, the Wise debit card, and dedicated business accounts. These services transformed Wise from solely a transfer platform into a more comprehensive financial tool for managing money across borders. The name TransferWise no longer fully captured the breadth of these new functionalities. A multi-currency life. The founders and leadership recognized that their customers weren't just making one-off transfers. They were leading multi-currency lives. This includes freelancers receiving payments in different currencies, expats living and working abroad, businesses trading internationally, and frequent travelers. Wise aimed to become the go-to platform for all aspects of these multi-currency financial needs, not just the transfer component. Simplicity and global appeal. Shortening the name to simply Wise makes it more concise, memorable, and globally appealing. It's easier to pronounce and remember in various languages and cultures, aligning with the company's international reach. Future-proofing. By removing the explicit transfer from its name, Wise positioned itself for future growth and innovation. It allows the company to introduce new financial products and services that might not directly involve a transfer, without the name feeling outdated or restrictive. Focus on the Wise approach. The core ethos of the company has always been about making financial decisions wisely, avoiding hidden fees, getting fair exchange rates, and having transparency. The name Wise puts this fundamental principle at the forefront, emphasizing the intelligent and beneficial approach to international money management. What the name change means for you. For existing users of TransferWise, the change was largely cosmetic. Your account details, services, and the way you interact with the platform remained largely the same. The transition was smooth, primarily involving a new logo, website, and app branding. For new users, understanding that Wise was formerly TransferWise helps connect the dots. It clarifies why the company is so well known for its money transfer services while also highlighting its expanded capabilities. It assures users that the trusted, transparent service they've come to know hasn't disappeared, but rather has grown.